Hello friends and welcome to my channel Instant Nerd. Today we will learn how to use Canva and ChatGPT to create pitch decks. First of all, open your browser and make sure that you're logged into your ChatGPT account. Now you can type in the prompt, create a pitch deck for a company which has asked for SEO services and hit enter. Now what ChatGPT will do, it will create a pitch deck summary for the required proposal. Here you can see that ChatGPT has created the pitch deck in terms of slide numbers, slide 1, slide 2, slide 3, and it will go all the way to slide 11. Now what you need to do is you need to open your Canva. Now on the left side, press create and type in pitch deck and select this. Now a new window will open up. Now on the left side of the menu, you can see that there are a lot of pitch decks designs are available. You can select any of them. Let's say we will select this one and apply all 15 pages. So now as you can see that pitch deck has been applied to all the pages. Now what you need to do is you need to go to your ChatGPT window again, and now you have to copy paste the text from here and to here, and in this way your pitch deck will be ready. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you like it, please like and subscribe to our channel.